One of the simplest methods to make money online is by typing words. And in this video, I'll show you how to earn $5 every 60 seconds. How do you do it, you might ask? Well, that's what we're about to go over. This is how you may make money by typing words online. Additionally, just a small portion of viewers of my videos are subscribed already. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, think about subscribing with alerts turned on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later, so that you can be among the first to apply any new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. I will let you know as soon as I come up with them. Obviously, earn the greatest money as a result. Start typing while enjoying your preferred coffee to earn up to $300 per hour. Just be sure that you're doing it correctly. If you want, you can simply copy and paste it if you don't feel like typing. Watch as I demonstrate how to do it precisely. Additionally, there is no upfront cost to register on this platform, and no prior writing experience is necessary. You can carry this out on your computer or smartphone. You can do this from anywhere in the world, regardless of whether you have an iOS or an Android device. Also, please leave your country of origin in the comment section below before I explain how you can achieve this. I can make sure that every video I release is for you in this way, so please mention your country in the comment section below. Also, keep in mind that I will be providing supplementary tips that will enable you to earn double or even triple what others are making. So be sure to stay tuned and watch through the very conclusion. Now, let's get back to the video. For this, you will need to take a 60-second typing test at typingtest.com. a highly crucial website, as your initial action. You can choose a 1 to 10 minute test and then pick text sentences or words that are really important by going to the site, clicking on typing tests, and then going to the page where it says check your typing skills in a minute. Type away to join 150+ million test takers. Please log in and choose the medium text choice and the 1-minute test. The best part is that you can easily perform this action on your smartphone. As you can see, clicking the start test will allow you to begin typing. They will then time you for 1 minute and gauge how quickly you type. As an illustration, the timer will start ticking whenever I begin typing a particular set of words, and it will then display my typing speed. You may now get free training to make you a faster typist by going back to the site and clicking on typing courses. The reason for this is that I'll show you a few websites in this video where you may earn money by just typing. Additionally, you can earn extra money by typing more quickly. I'll now demonstrate the places where you can make money online just by typing. Consequently, this will be the #1 website on our list. As a result, $1.25 per minute, as you can see right here. Now, let's use an internet calculator to perform the calculations. Thus, if you type for 60 minutes or an hour, you can earn $75 or $1.25 per minute. 3 hours of typing will net you $225. Additionally, you can make up to $375 just typing for 5 hours. As a result, this is a chance that comes along only once in a lifetime. Over 170,000 people from diverse businesses throughout the world have trusted this very reliable website. This is rev.com. Now, I want you to go to their homepage right away. As you can see, transcription pays $1.25 per minute. Captions pay the same. Foreign subtitles pay between $3 and $7 per minute. In fact, coming from a different country gives you an advantage. You can assist them by translating the videos from English to Hindi or Hindi to English. For instance, if you're from India and there isn't a Hindi subtitle accessible, you can make a lot of money doing this. Therefore, $3 to $7 each minute, as you can see. Applying this, let's see your earning potential now. You can make $300 per hour by simply translating videos to foreign subtitles if you make an average of $5 each minute. I would advise starting with video transcription though, if you are just getting started and do not speak a foreign language. I suppose $1.25 per minute is quite adequate. You can currently notice freelancers near the bottom of this webpage by scrolling down, and clicking that link will take you to a page with Rev freelance jobs that has a highly flexible work schedule. You will be paid frequently on a weekly basis and have your selection among hundreds of jobs. The finest aspect is that you will receive your money promptly and trustworthily. If you guys love this video, which I spent a lot of time and effort making, I would appreciate it if you guys click the like button and turn on your subscription notifications. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll release a brand new video the following week to demonstrate to you how to earn even more money online while staying at home, performing simple tasks like this one. And now, back to the video. The second website on our list is transcribeme.com, which you may also sign up for free. When you visit their homepage, you will see some job openings. You can type while working online at transcription or translation services. Since transcription is the one that pays the most, I prefer you concentrate on it. As you can see, they offer the finest rates in the sector, with a starting pay of $15 to $22 every audio hour and a maximum monthly pay of $2,200. That's incredible! Now, let's compute using a calculator to perform the calculations. That works up to $22 per hour of audio, or $110 if you work 5 hours. However, it is less lucrative than Rev.com. Therefore, I suggest that you set aside some time and sign up for Rev.com because it is a better choice. However, you can sign up for both Rev.com and TranscribeMe.com if you want to create various sources of revenue. You can now sign up with TranscribeMe.com by clicking Get Started, which will take you to a page where you can do so. The beautiful thing about this website is that you can work on it from either a phone or a computer, and the work hours and schedules are fairly flexible, so you can go at your own pace. The nicest aspect is that they just provide you with 2 to 4 minute clips, so it isn't at all long. Just imagine how much money you can make if you spent a half an hour or even an hour transcribing. Your first name, last name, and email address are all that is required. For the confirmation link to activate your account, be sure to use your legitimate email address. You may then make your password here and confirm it. Enter your PayPal account so that they can send you money after that. Always take the time to check your email because they occasionally ask you for your typing speed and will send you verification information about it. It is at this point when typingtest.com is useful. You can therefore take a typing test on this website to determine your typing speed in terms of words per minute. You'll be able to immediately see your findings following the test. Now, all you have to do is email them a screenshot of the outcome that you took. You can increase or even quadruple your typing speed by enrolling in one of their typing courses offered on this website. You will have more employment options if you do this. If you want to learn more ways to legitimately earn money online, then don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on all notifications. Also, leave your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.